Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna build a website in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So let's get started. So I think I'm just gonna make a simple tribute page, maybe about dogs. So I'm just gonna create a folder, call it tribute dogs. Open this with VS Code. I use VS Code, it's really nice and simple to use. Make an index.html. And that's done. Make the style of CSS. Okay, so I'm just gonna edit the HTML tag. Add the body in, add a title to the website. Oops. So call it dogs. Link the style CSS. It's not this one. Style sheet. href, style CSS, and then add some content in. So there one dog. Maybe call it a spike. That's a spike. Attribute to spike. Here's a picture of spike. Spike was a good dog. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna style this. I'm just gonna add this in a div class. So add all this inside a row. Okay, not row. We got main. Okay. So if the body margin 0, padding 0, dot main. Okay, text align center. Maybe edit the image a little bit. So height or width 600 pixel. Okay, so check the website out now. Open with live server. Alright, there's no picture because I didn't add it yet. So maybe just get a picture from anywhere. So I'll splash. Okay. This is nice. Boom. So I might just edit a little bit more. And it's gray color, or this with white. And I think we're done. Yeah. So this was a website in 5 minutes. Okay, so here are 5 simple tips you can use to build a website. Tip number 1, always decide what you want to put in your website before you start building it. Tip number 2, put the content in the HTML first before you style it using the CSS. Tip number 3, make sure the content is readable. Tip number 4, put large titles so the reader can read the content better. Tip number 5, use colors. Yeah, colors just make everything better. Okay, hope you enjoyed my video and thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.